running away with that dead man's plate and LionsCreed. Really fishing for a fight, but they just can't get it. Where's the re-engage? It looks like 0-6 have decided that they want to go for it. Aren't going to be able to get anything too strong on, but members are going low. There's the misfortune of it. Once again, it's not doing enough work as the redemption comes down. People dying left, right, and center.
Camille,
it looks like Ezreal's trying to do the damage. And the pace though, Camille, Unho1y once again doesn't want to turn to this fight, and it doesn't even matter for 0-6. They're doing decently anyway. Nunu's going to jump over to try and get the last kill of the fight. Will be able to, and that is the pentakill coming in for Unho1y.